ganyan. We are not after kalaban. Hindi namin tinitingnan dito yung political color, yung personality, yung emotion. We just base on action, facts, and kung ano yung batas na applicable and follow the procedure. Ganun namin to gagawin. It so happened, it's unfortunate that it's happening na yung mga tao na ganito, they're the one also very violent and very vocal saying things na kagaya ni Atty. Respicio, we know his political yung political preference niya. Tapos, okay lang naman you promote your political preference, but you don't encourage people to raise arms against the government. Hindi naman tama yon. So, hindi tayo papayag na mangyari yung mga ganyang bagay.
Last na pahabol po on my part. Are we anticipating any incendiary or similar remarks now that the DOJ has earlier said na pwede nang mag-carry out ng operations to arrest Senator De La Rosa? Are we anticipating any incendiary posts online that would portray that would paint in a negative light, paint law enforcement agencies in a negative light?
Well, it's happening. Hindi, even before the announcement, gano'n na yung nangyayari. No? The NBI is under attack bago pa nangyari yung announcement ng pag-arrest. No? But now, nung nag-settle na yung dust, all the smoke is gone, alam niyo from the media, alam niyo lahat that NBI was very truthful from the start.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Jan, you raise your hands.
Good morning, Director Carlos Waka Campi Online. Regarding yung Vice Mayor nagagalit sa gobyerno, hindi kaya mga foreigner, mga mayayaman prominent tao na inject sa kanya para makrebelde?
That will be an assumption, no? What will entail additional investigation, no? We don't want to name somebody na hindi naman kasama nito, no? Sabi ko nga, we will base our action on facts na in relation to the law and sigurado na nasa proseso. So we don't want to name names, we don't want to create speculation. Ayaw namin gawin yung sasabihin namin na inutos itong taong to, pagpapatay kayo, wala naman palang ganun and wala namang ebidensya. Dapat lagi tayo may ebidensya. Dahil hindi nagsisinungaling ang ebidensya.
Direct, meron kayang malaking grupo sumusuport ang ating mga Philippine Army, PNP, kaya ganyan kalakas sa loob na humikayat ng taong bayan rebelde sa ating gobyerno?
Well, sa ngayon, yung complaint, zero in on Atty. Respicio. So siya yung imbestigahan natin. If during the investigation, there are personalities na banggitin siya or may events na banggitin siya, the NBI will not hesitate to pursue kung ano yung lead na yan. But in the meantime, we focus on the case filed against Atty. Respicio. Kasi base dun sa complaint affidavit, upon reading it, malinaw eh. Kaya nga sabi ko, I have to commend Yusek Aboy because pwede naman yan diretso na i-file to sa DOJ, kumpleto na eh. Even the evidence were already preserved. So, ang sabi lang, we'll giving opportunity para hindi masabi na minamadali. So, every opportunity, nandun tayo sa due process natin na gagawin. So, yung sinasabi na baka may ibang grupo, that is a possibility, but sabi ko nga, we will act based on evidence.
Thank you, Direct.